Can't find new clients during this pandemic period because you work from home. You want to learn how to find new clients, right? Even you work from home or anywhere in the world, then you must watch this video. I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn, right, to bring in new customers or new leads. First thing, if you don't have LinkedIn account, register an LinkedIn account. Then create an attractive profile. Make sure you have a nice photos, okay? And then write a great summary so that you can attract new prospects or new customers. Second, develop contents that your prospects or your customer would like to see, not a sales pitch, not promoting your products or services, but something value added to them, right? It's all about your customers, not about you. So your post should not be always like sales pitch. Then if you don't have connections, start to find connections, right? Find your target customers in LinkedIn by their work positions, right? Let's say, for example, I want to sell to a procurement or purchasing manager. So I will look for a purchasing manager in specific location. Like if you want to sell to someone in Malaysia, you search in Malaysia, in KL, in Penang, or in Johor, right? In Dubai, in anywhere, right? So start with their position and the location. Then you find them, then what you want to do is connect and network with them. So once they accept your connection, remember to engage and network with them every day. And during your communication, when opportunity arises, then you can introduce your business to them through a chat or an online meeting. It's that simple. So start take action right now. Now, if you want to learn more how to use LinkedIn to market your business, I have this B2B LinkedIn marketing cheat sheet. Now, if you're interested, just leave your comment right below and I will message to you. And this is Andrew. Follow me for more business tips.